Have you ever wondered why no one listens to good counsel? It's a question that has puzzled thinkers for ages. Imagine a man who is a Volos chief or a BIY. If they truly had any desire to become wise and learn sense, would they have sought such high posts? These people already consider themselves clever enough. They seek power to teach and guide others, as if they have reached the pinnacle of perfection and have nothing more to learn. But let's be real. Are they the type who would have the inclination or spare the time to listen to us? Their minds are occupied with other concerns, not offending their superiors, avoiding the anger of a thief, preventing trouble among the people, and ensuring they gain some personal advantage. They're always busy helping someone, getting someone out of trouble. They simply don't have the time. Now, what about the rich? They want for nothing. For even a single day, they believe that their wealth makes them possessors of the world's treasures. They can pay in livestock for whatever they lack. Their sights are set high, their ambitions even higher. Honor, conscience, and sincerity mean little to them compared to their herds. They are so certain that their wealth can bribe even the Most High. Why would they listen to our advice? Some might be inclined to listen, but they're too busy. They have to feed and water their livestock, sell it at a premium, protect it from thieves and wolves, shelter it from the cold, and find someone to handle these chores. When all that's done, they'll be too busy boasting and bragging. They have no time for good counsel. And as for thieves and scoundrels, we know they won't listen. The poor, meek as sheep, are only concerned with getting their daily bread. What good is advice, wisdom, and learning to them when even the rich don't want it? Leave us alone. Speak to those who are cleverer than we are, they say, as though knowledge were of no use to the poor. They don't care about anybody, the poor. They think if they had what others have, they would know no worries. So, why does no one listen to good counsel? Because they're too busy, too self-assured, and too consumed by their own lives to heed the wisdom that could truly benefit them. Follow @Kazakh Review for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep pondering. Bye.